potato slice chips. Ingredients: potato 2 numbers, peel off skin and cut in thin slice shape. Salt for taste. Oil for fry. Fry it on preheated oil, but be careful, dry it well to avoid oil splashes. Peel potato skin and cut thin sliced shape. Wash with water to remove starch. Let it dry before fry. Fry it on preheated oil, but be careful, dry it well to avoid oil splashes. When color change, remove it from stove. Salt as per taste, and seasoning can add more spices for flavored taste. With family and friends, enjoy simple, quick, easy recipe. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.